this video, we're going to go over wrist flexion strengthening exercise using a TheraBand. So starting with the lightest resistance band with a loop end, we're going to put our hand through that. Other end is going to go underneath your foot. Tack that down, make sure your foot is secure so the TheraBand doesn't go flying in the air once you start this exercise. There should be tension in the band at the very start of the position, okay? So once you get a good handle on the loop, make sure your elbow is supported. Make sure your shoulder is not in your ears, so nice and relaxed. 90-degree angle of the elbow, and then just enough room off the edge of a table for your wrist to go down into an extended position. So what you're going to do is flex up for 1 second and lower down for 3. Most important part of this exercise is the lowering phase. So if you're able to do this for 30 consecutive reps for 2 days in a row without an increase in pain, then you can progress to the next stage of TheraBand color. So I want to say after yellow there's red and then green. Once we get through those, then we'll start looking at free weights and changing the different arm positions so that we're putting more strain in a good way on the muscle groups that we're targeting, so their tissue tolerance is better. So you'll get back to your activities and you're less likely to get re-injured over time. So that is what we're working on. We're working on muscle endurance with resistance. If this is painful, you can do this exercise without resistance until you're able to tolerate that without an increase in pain, and then start adding a resistance band.